Welcome to the K3 Pebblestone demo video of landed cost, which can be used within K3 Pebblestone or as a separate module within Business Central. Landed cost is the total sum of all expenses associated with shipping a product, such as taxes and fees, be it international shipping or local shipping costs. If a business were to sell their products at just cost price, they would not make any profit, so it's crucial that a business can determine their landed cost so that the products can be priced appropriately. K3 Pebblestone Landed Costs offers various calculation templates and sheets that contain different cost elements and margins, all of which are flexible, so you can tailor them to your exact needs. K3 Pebblestone Landed Costs lets you quickly use templates and sheets to determine landed cost, and each calculation lets you add both wholesale and retail margins to your items. Item calculation sheets contain a group of items using the same calculation template. An item can be used in multiple sheets, for example, one for manufacturing in China and one for manufacturing in Turkey.
Navigate to Purchasing to access calculation templates and item calculation sheets. Calculation templates let you define the calculations from purchase price, landed cost, sales price, all the way through to the recommended retail price. You have a row ID. You can select the type of cost from the drop-down list. A group code, say freight from China. A landed cost element code, such as a 20-foot sea container. And then a fixed or a percentage value. And then the value associated to that. The reference is the row ID of the line of which the percentage is based on. Formula is used when a line is based on a formula such as landed cost and element type or retail margin and element type, and is auto-filled but can be manually changed. Use a rounding method if required. Sort the columns to your liking and preference and add alternative names which can be used in the item calculation sheet. You can also set up a simulation calculation template to aid you with the purchase price negotiation with your vendors, or make other changes which impact lowering the purchase price. Navigate to Purchase and Item Calculation Sheets. In the General tab, you can see the landed cost sequence number, the name of the item category, the vendor number, and the status, and the calculation template name. Select Process, then Add Item. This allows you to populate the calculation sheet by filtering on, say, item number, item category code, brand code, vendor number, etc. You can also add currency rates if needed, which are pulled through from the exchange rate setup or adjusted manually. At this stage, the item calculation sheet status is set to open. If the field base calculation is checked, then the purchase price, last direct cost, sales price, unit price and recommended retail price RRP fields are taken over from the item calculation lines. Enter the expected purchase prices. Lines are shown in red to show that a calculation is required. Calculate the entire sheet by selecting Process and then Calculate. Once this is complete, you can select Process again and then Update Item. Once you have selected to update the item, this will update the fields in the item card. Now look at the item card to see the unit cost, the unit price / sales price and recommended retail price all pulled through from the item calculation sheet. For posting surcharges, the calculation template line must have a surcharge posting group. The surcharge posting group must have a valid general ledger account, and the calculation must be certified.